So of course, 2 wheels. All cars have 2 wheels. There you go. We'll make a blue car today. Take a line and put it in the middle. And then we'll start with the front down here and the back over here. The backs of cars usually go up, so we're going to go ahead and just put that right there. And then do a little line up, and for the hood and about the end of the tire, create a steep angle. And then go straight and then curve it down for the trunk. There you go. And then add some windows. And once again, there's a lot of different shapes for cars. So I mean, you could really do anything. You can make the hood longer or shorter, or you can make it more sporty. And last, you'll add some door handles there. And maybe a headlight. And do a backlight. And of course, no car's complete without going fast.